Forest professionals are often portrayed as rational managers of forest resources. My study, however, shows a more diverse picture. Professionals described emotional and embodied ways of being with forests, while also feeling a strong sense of ownership over forests, as well as belonging to their professional community. These experiences shaped how they approached sustainability changes and dialogues with stakeholders. I interviewed 37 Finnish forest professionals. They described forests as sensory and calming places where they felt safe and grounded. Childhood forest experiences continued to resonate in their adult life, shaping values and meanings. Professional culture formed an important background for how participants experienced the forest and work. Shared language and training created a feeling of community, yet some, especially women and those in non-traditional work roles, felt the professional culture strict, hierarchical, and not fully aligned with their identity. Gender-shaped experiences too, with some women describing unspoken masculine norms that affected how they behaved and felt accepted. Participants experienced forest management as meaningful work carrying long-term well-being across human and tree generations. Many felt a sense of ownership rooted in their expertise. They often felt responsible for guiding forest owners toward what they saw as beneficial for the forest, even when views differed. Forestry work evoked both pride and vulnerability. Criticism of forestry was often felt personally, as work, identity, and forest were closely tied together. Participants frequently perceived disagreements as arising from a lack of forestry knowledge among non-professionals. At the same time, some participants had concerns about current management practices, but found it difficult to express them within their community. Participants experienced forest as multi-layered spaces, but professional culture shaped how these layers were understood. Overall, my study shows that forests gave participants a sense of continuity, belonging, and ontological security. Forests influenced everyday routines, relationships, and long-term goals. Expertise created responsibility and a felt sense of ownership over forests. Shared community norms supported cohesion, but sometimes limited the space for differing views. In conclusion, although participants approached forests as resources in their work, they also described deeper, relational meanings. Recognizing these lived connections help illuminate why forest professionals may either resist or support sustainability transitions.